morning. I'm a little bit late. Probably about 10 minutes later than I thought I would want to be. Don't know whether you can see behind me, but the sky is starting to get some colour. And I'm looking for poppies. Well, I found poppies actually. I was here yesterday. There's a lovely, lovely composition. Just need to walk up this hill a bit more. Good morning. So peaceful, so quiet, but it's beautiful. I am out in some poppies, and we've got a little bit of colour going on behind me. Don't know whether you can see that. You should be able to. So I've lined up a composition. If I spin this round, spin. Using this line that the farmer has very nicely made in these poppies. So you can see I've got a nice line of leading line into the shot, colour in the sky. Let's have a look at the histogram. Just drop that down a touch. Okay. Right, F11, 8 seconds, ISO 50. It's quite dark still. It's about 45 minutes before sunrise. There was supposed to be a few more clouds than this, but as ever the weather forecasters are wrong. But I'll take this. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, really like it. If I focus on the screen, you should be able to see that. Okay, very, very simple. Using the line into the frame. I might just shift that around a little bit. So we've got the lines coming up from each corner. Disappearing, we've got a beautiful row of trees on the horizon, or just short of the horizon, with a bit of mist in the valley. Beautiful, some colour. The only thing I can hear is birds and some sheep. Some beautiful poppies. And the sky is just starting to fade now, coming up to sunrise. Hoping that as the sun pops over the horizon, get a nice sun star coming up over there. Just going to drop that down. I might put another grad on the sky. Without the graduated filter on the sky, it's very difficult to control the difference between the light in the sky and the relative darkness of the foreground. I really like this shot. It's a bit of a one-shot location, although last night was beautiful because we had some stormy rain clouds. Sun was behind me, and a nice little rainbow at the end there. I might pop that image in the video. So peaceful here. It's beautiful. Just waiting for the sun to pop up over the horizon. Still pretty much the same composition. I moved things a little bit. Just using this line down through the shot. Still some colour, but not a lot. Those birds are going crazy. The alarm went off this morning, 10 to 3. Quite early. Right, so we're back here. Sun's just about to come up. So hopefully I'll be able to get a nice little sun star going there. I do like that shot. So that's the end of that sunrise. Beautiful, but it's time for coffee. Excuse my language, I might have to bleep that. You don't actually need that many poppies to make a composition work. This particular field, it's not a field full of poppies, but there's enough. There's enough to give the colour something of the season. As soon as we missed the bluebell season because of the coronavirus lockdown, I had to come out and shoot some poppies. I've been scouting around for probably 2 or 3 years trying to find a field that I like. It's all very well finding poppies, and I've seen lots of poppy shots recently, but very, very few of them are actually a photograph, a composition. And it's nice to find something from the hundreds of miles of driving and walking that I've done over the last couple of weeks. Something that works. So I'm pleased. It's a good morning. Might post one of the pictures from yesterday as well, just to show you the difference that the conditions make. I haven't looked at them yet, but there was a nice little rainbow, which should work. Head home, grab a coffee, maybe 2, have a look at these pictures, and hopefully process a couple.